Put your fucking hands up.
Hi guys, my name is Raiden. So we're gonna receive my gift from Team Y. Love Team Y. So this is my favorite toy because I like it. So everyone, shout out to Team Y because I like this toy. I was waiting for this, and I told my mom to make a video about this when it's finished. So I made a video about this, and so we're gonna talk about this dinosaur. We don't want to get quick ahead for about this. So okay, let's check on this design. So everyone, there's these white paint for and then there's lights on the right down, so which is can light up. I think, I don't know if it can light or I don't know just specific by toys. And the eyes are this, so which is the eyes are white, I think, so it can glow because many dinosaurs toys can glow, because I heard that from YouTube. So I watched it, and I saw that other toys brown, and I don't want it, so Team Y bought this toy. So I like this stencil of the head. They made a pretty good job of the head and even all the bodies, but something is missing. So look, these ones are the wheels to move the dinosaurs. Yeah. So this is the controller my mom put the batteries when I opened this, because before when my mom's making noise, my brother's sleeping. So Mommy, why is this not working?
What?
Look, I was just doing this all.
I think there's just
Can you turn on the battery? Okay. No.
oh, it's not working.
So I think this toy's been used and put it in a box. Okay guys, I'm back because we ran out of the batteries of the tail. So we're gonna start this toy. So we're gonna open this. Okay, so these are no. Wait, I have to close it because something happened. So these are the buttons we have to press for this dinosaur, okay? Because my mom sewed the tail because because we ran out of batteries before. So okay, we're gonna start this one, okay? Good. Okay. Oh. What's this? Oh. So this. Okay. I know what happened. So when it starts moving, if you want to make it stop, you use this square button right here, right in the middle. When you press this, it stops. Okay. Yeah. Look, giving the mouth, bruh. This is so cool. Okay. Dance. Okay. Okay. Thank you for giving me this toy, and I'll go to your channel and subscribe. I promise. And then I will like your videos. So if you can see this flashing, because you can see this middle light and this the second light, which is it hasn't enough for to it hasn't enough for to make these spines glow. Okay. So this is the walking ability. This is the dancing ability, so you can do, and this is his attacking ability and his raw ability. That's what his ability can do. Okay. And that's his walking.
Bayaran mo daw yan.
Huh?
Bayaran mo daw yan.
Mommy.
Yes. Bayaran mo daw, sabi niya.
Okay. I'll give you $200.
$200?
Okay. So, is it still on?
I think so.
Yeah, this is still on. So, thank you all for supporting me. And so this is the end. But wait, does his arms move? Let me check the attack ability. Yep.
Moving?
Yep, his arms are moving. I kind of like the style when he's putting his head here and his arms like going up and going down. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this into YouTube, and all of you lovers, thank you for supporting, and I'll see you next time. Okay?
What next time? You have next time pa?
Yeah, I have more videos I can do.
What video? What video?
Bad.
No, I just asked you what video.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Okay, we're just gonna make we're just gonna let them see a part 2 of this, okay?
Part 2?
Yeah.
You make part 2 of that?
Yeah.
Para ano?
Again,
Para ano?
Mommy, we're gonna make a part 2 of this toy because if they say to make another video of this toy, then we'll make it, because other YouTubers everyone says to the YouTubers, make another part of Godzilla animate or anything you can do.
Oh, so anong mo next time?
So I'm gonna test this with my brother. So you're gonna record and go to the room, because you're gonna tell them. So my brother's gonna play with this toy, but when he put his water, inaway niya dito. Then work. Hey, don't laugh.
This is licking. You lick it?
Yeah, if he licks this toy, and when he put it to the bathroom, so if I bring this toy into the bathroom, it will fall off and broke to death.
Okay na, tama na yan. Dagdag na.
How about you? Because
Dana. Okay na, magbabay ka na.
Bye-bye. Next time.